we warn the National Assembly members that God in heaven will condemn them and humanity will condemn them if they doctor the Electoral Act amendment process and remove the electronic transmission of results, or if they refuse to complete this process within a reasonable time. It is clear from the foregoing that President Buhari has, over his past 6.5 years, emerged the most incompetent, inept, divisive, unskilled, unimpressive, uninspiring, and divisive president in our history. President Buhari lacks basic understanding of the issues in handling a multicultural, multi-ethnic, and multi-religious country such as Nigeria. His level of nepotism is second to none, and his narrow-mindedness is legendary. The current agitations and heightened insecurity in the southeast, southwest, south-south, and the middle belt are direct consequences of the failure of the president and his inability as well as incapacity to lead. The hate and sectionalism, nepotism, and divide and rule system with which the president has presided over this country since 2015 are the foundation of these agitations. Indeed, this government has failed, and it has failed woefully in all ramifications. However, worse than the above fact that President Buhari is a failed leader is that the National Assembly is populated by political hallelujah boys who are approving and sanctioning everything from the executive. They are the laughing stock in the international community. We hereby put Nigerians on notice that they will yet again approve the current loan request pending before them from the president, even when the Nigerian debt burden at its worst level is at its worst level ever, rising up to over 33 trillion. This National Assembly leadership will still approve the request for further borrowing. Even when the government cannot account to Nigerians on what this project, the money they claim to have been borrowed, where they are and what they have done, the National Assembly will still approve this one without asking questions. Nigeria's external loans have risen from 33% since 2015, and President Buhari, who is still borrowing till today, does not have a credible repayment plan. Nigerians must know that for every 1,000 naira Nigerians makes today, 980 naira is used for payment of debts. Which country can survive under such condition? What a shame.